Hello everyone, welcome back to Thoovi Arts. If you love watercolors, calming art sessions and learning step by step, then today's video is for you. We are super excited to introduce our Thoovi Watercolour Painting Book, Serene Strokes, a complete guided painting experience designed for artists of all levels. It's not just a painting book, it's your personal creative companion. Each book comes with a QR code that gives you access to exclusive learning content. So once you scan, you'll find step-by-step tutorials by different artists guiding you through every artwork in the book. Inside, you'll find 20 beautifully illustrated artworks, all printed on 230 GSM 100% cotton cold press paper. This paper quality is extremely important for watercolor because it allows smooth blending, soft gradients, and multiple layers without damaging the surface. And the best part, it comes with a curated set of 12 watercolor shades, carefully selected to match the illustrations in this book. So you can start painting right away, no confusion, no guesswork. So now you're looking at the most important step, swatching of these colors. Swatching helps us understand how each color behaves on paper. You'll get to see the true shade of the pigment, how light or dark it becomes with water, its transparency and flow, and how well it blends with other colors. You must be already knowing that Thoovi watercolors are known for their rich pigmentation, which means even a small amount of paint gives you vibrant colors. You don't need to use a lot, just a tiny drop mixed with water gives beautiful results. You'll also notice how smooth and consistent the texture is. There's no graininess or patchiness, which makes blending super easy, even for beginners. Another aspect you would love is how these colors layer beautifully. Once a layer dries, you can add another wash on top without disturbing the previous one. This is perfect for building depth and details in your artwork. And of course, you can mix these shades to create your own custom colors. This gives you endless creative possibilities with just one palette. So what makes Serene Strokes truly special is how relaxing and stress-free the entire process feels. You don't have to worry about sketching, composition, or where to start. Everything is already planned for you. So just sit back, follow the guidance, and enjoy the calming flow of watercolors. This book is also for someone looking to improve your skills, and here you will always have guidance right at your fingertips. At Thoovi Arts, we believe art should be joyful, peaceful, and accessible to everyone. If you're looking for a guided, mindful, and creative experience, Serene Strokes is made just for you. Check the website to get your copy. Until next time, keep creating and keep painting. Bye.